In life, we often stay honest, work hard, and stick to our values. But sometimes just one moment of greed, one small thought can change our entire life. Have you ever thought one decision you make could open the door to success or close it forever? Today's story is one you should listen to carefully because every moment in it teaches us how, if we don't control our thoughts, even an honest person can make the wrong choice. Many years ago, there was a young man named Jake who lived in a small town. His life was full of sadness and struggle. Every day he went out looking for work, made a little money, came home, cooked a simple meal, and went to sleep. One day, after walking around all day and still not finding any job, Jake was heading home with a heavy heart. Just then, he heard someone call out from behind, "Is there anyone here who can help me carry something?" Jake turned around and saw an old man standing there. The old man had 3 large, heavy duffel bags with him. Jake said, "Yes, I can help." The old man said, "I need to go to the next village. It's a bit far. I can carry 2 of these bags myself, but the third one is too heavy. Can you carry it for me? I'll give you 3 gold coins." Jake agreed, but as soon as he lifted the bag, he felt how heavy it was. "Wow," he said, "this feels really heavy." The old man calmly replied, "Yes, because it's full of bronze coins." Even though it was very heavy, Jake placed the bag on his shoulder and started walking with the old man. While they were walking, Jake noticed the old man kept looking at him. Jake thought, maybe he's worried I'll run away with the bag. But he reminded himself, I'm not a thief. I would never betray anyone. I just want to work hard and earn honestly. As they walked further, they reached the bank of a river. Jake didn't wait. He stepped into the water and started crossing. But the old man stayed on the other side. "I'm an old man," the man said. "I can't cross this river with these 2 bags. If I try, I might drown. Can you carry 1 more bag for me?" "Don't worry. I'll give you 3 more gold coins." Jake said yes. But as he reached to take the bag, the old man stopped him. "Promise me you won't run away." Jake looked surprised. "Why would I run away?" The old man said, "It's hard to trust people these days. This bag has silver coins." Jake was a bit annoyed now. "Do I look like a thief to you?" he said. "I don't cheat for money. Give me the bag." He picked up the second bag and crossed the river. Even the silver coins didn't make him move away from his values. After that, they reached a hill. Jake started climbing slowly, but the old man stayed at the bottom. "Come on," Jake called out. "Why are you still standing there?" "I'm too old," the man said. "I can't climb with this bag." "Then give it to me." "I'll carry it," Jake said. The old man paused. "But this bag has gold coins. If you run away, I won't be able to catch you." Jake was a little frustrated now. "I told you already, I'm not that kind of person. I'm an honest man. I used to work for a small loan company. I was in charge of keeping the records, but when they asked me to lie about a client's loan, I quit the job." The old man still didn't seem sure, but he finally said, "I don't know if you're telling the truth or not, but here, take the bag. I'll walk slowly." You go ahead and wait for me on the other side of the hill." Jake lifted the bag and started walking, leaving the old man behind. As he walked, a thought came into his mind. If I run away with these 3 bags, the old man won't be able to catch me. I'll be rich forever. Another thought followed. He's old. He probably doesn't have much time left. What will he do with all this money? But I'm young. If I take this money, I can get rich, marry a beautiful woman, and live a luxurious life. Tempted by these thoughts, Jake started running with all 3 bags. Breathing heavily, he reached home, opened the bags, and was shocked. There was no gold, no silver, only small stones inside. Why did the old man lie? Jake thought. Why did he do all this? Just then, he saw a note inside the bag. He picked it up and read, "I am the king of this land. I have no family or heir, and I'm growing old. So, I've been searching for an honest person to adopt as my son and future king. If you had not run away, you would have been that person." As Jake read those words, he was filled with deep regret. He had been honest his whole life. He never wanted to cheat anyone. But one small greedy thought changed everything. If he had controlled his mind for just one more moment, he could have become the heir to the throne. But a single moment of weakness made him lose the biggest chance of his life. This story teaches us how powerful our thoughts can be. Jake was truly an honest person, but one moment of greedy thinking made him do something completely against his values. The thought came, "If I run away, the old man can't catch me." That could have been the end of it, but it didn't stop. It became, "I'll get rich. I'll live a great life. I'll marry a beautiful woman." These thoughts led him down the wrong path. There's a saying, even our worst enemy can't harm us like our own negative thoughts can. Every action starts with a thought. Thought becomes words. Words become actions. Actions become habits. And habits shape our future. So if we want to protect ourselves from negative results, we must take care of our thoughts. Honest and positive thoughts can guide us toward a better, more beautiful life. Our thoughts are like seeds. One day, they grow into our future. So let's make sure those seeds are filled with peace, positivity, and honesty. The story should reach more people. Please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay with us. I'll be back again with another inspiring story.